Hello. So for this video we're going to make our heavy duty workbench. It can actually hold up to 200 kilos evenly distributed across the top. It's 1.65 metres long, 600mm deep and 850mm high. A perfect workbench. So let's have a look at how we put it together. And the tools that we're going to use to build our heavy duty workbench, 13mm socket set. You could use a spanner or a shifter or two. In this instance I'll use a shifter as well, just to hold the other end of the bolt. And to put the workbench on, I'm choosing today to use a Phillips head in a screwdriver, in a drill. You could use a screwdriver, and of course I'm wearing safety glasses. So the first step is standing up your uprights. I've got a helper Dane at the other end, and we've got two cross braces to put on. So what we'll use is these longer bolts to start with, and the head will be at the back of the unit. Like so. And we've got a washer to go on each bolt. And we've also got a terrific nylock nut, so that won't come undone. And we'll tighten those up with our little socket and shifter holding the other end. And the last bolt to complete the brace is the centre bolt, which is only 15mm wide. And we'll just put the washer and the nut on that one. That one's actually just a normal nut. And we'll tighten those up. So one of the tips I like to do is we'll actually put the bench on the uprights upside down. It's just easier to screw into it. And we'll also use the box that the unit came in just to keep the bench clean, in case you actually want to stain it or oil it. So we'll put the uprights down. What I like to do is we'll put the uprights level with the back of the board. And the uprights themselves are 1435mm, the board is 1650. So if you allow about 108mm on each side, and just mark that evenly, that'll centre your uprights to the board. And that's our heavy duty Stratco workbench. It's actually a pretty nice piece of timber, so if you do want to stain it or a bit of oil just to give it a bit of colour, great idea. Again, it holds 200 kilos evenly distributed across the top. So it's a great bench. Take you less than 10 minutes to build it. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.